Hi everyone, I'm going to make today cards, and I'm going to cut all the pieces that we needed, and then I'm going to show you how I make the cards. So now I have a cutter here, and I'm going to use this to cut our card. So just to make sure this paper is gonna make for 2 cards, okay? So it's perfect. So now I'm gonna pull this in half. And then okay, so we have 2 cards now. We just have to fold this like that. Okay. So we have to set that aside, and we have here a designer paper. So the paper is, we just have to get the stuff that we need. So I'm gonna get one. Of course you have to match the color, you know. Okay, so we're gonna need that. Now I'm going to make a heart. So first we just have to make this half, and half again. So we could fold it, and then we can make a heart like that. See? So now we have heart. And I'm just gonna use this so we have same size and everything now. So I'm just gonna use this. You can use pen so it's easy. And the other one. Mm-hmm. So see, we have 4 here. See that? So okay, everyone, we're just gonna fold this and then do that. So basically I'm just gonna do that, okay? So we just have to stick this together like that. So using the glue, it's gonna hold together, okay? So look at that. It's going to stick together. See? As you can see that. And we're just going to put that here. Like that. Okay? So what I'm gonna do now is put the glue in here. In the both side. And then stick here. Just have to make sure that it's in the perfect middle of it. So okay, then see, there you are. Uh-oh. See? So there it is. So I'm gonna put something on here. Look at this, everybody. It's very beautiful. Here my stuff the Troy bought me. That's what it looked like. Just gonna put some stamp in here. Just going to be look nice. I'm gonna use the red stamp and on your special day. So because it's good for a birthday and good all the celebration. The celebration. And then I'm just going to stamp that there. So perfect. For mine, it's just so easy to make it. I'm just gonna do that and put it like that. You can just fold it. And make it V here, or and then you can just stick a sample to make something. And for so it's just like that, and then you can add simple stuff. That in there. Oh well. So it's just so simple ideas for making a card, and we just have to use now the black stamp. Just have to put it there or here. See? It's a sample ideas and easy to make. So I got 4 ideas already, and now this one is just really easy to make. And look at that. And the other one, and on your special day with the packet of that, and then you can put something in here if you want to. So that's gonna stick in there, and so that's the way I make my card. Okay everyone, I made Michelle dressed here, and this one is the front, and then I can just tie this in her neck, put a button in here, and also I put one in here, and then I can put a button also here, so it's adjustable. You can adjust, and then she can use longer, and this one too you can adjust something. So, and then in here it's just a fluff for a dress, and yeah, I put it together, but I can be putting that like that. This is the front, this is the inside of it. So yeah, it's really looking nice. I just made that myself. I looked the picture and I just made that myself. So I think they call this crochet crochet or shell stitches. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, I just did this. Like the first one I made is this one for the shell stitches, and then when I'm here already, I add this and this, and then I cut here, and then I started again here, and then I cut here again, and after that I started the skirt to down. So I'm excited how it's look like when it's finished. It's getting long. It's gonna be like that, longer like that. So it really takes a lot of time to make this, but what I did is make like that, and I do that for making a shell stitches, and then go back So we're gonna make 4 of that. And then you just put it together and then 1 crochet again. So what I do is just like that, and then go to the other step again. And it's 4. It's 4 like that. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and then in the end of here, that's 4, and in the back I do that like 3 times, and then it's a different pattern in the back. So that's my shell stitches crochet dress. So I hope it's gonna turn it good. Let's see. And hope you like it, everybody. And see you again. Bye.